Let's see.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
Santa gave me a new doll.
Santa gave you a new doll?
Oh my goodness.
Let's go look.
I want for you.
Oh, you think one's for me?
Yeah.
I think they're all for you.
Mom, move it down.
Don't move.
What is it? What are they?
What are they, Rach?
Blocks. Alright, here, lift it up.
Lift it up, take it out, let's see it.
Wow. Oh my goodness, look at the towers we can build.
Another one?
A tree.
How many are under
Who's
there?
on that wrapping paper?
Santa come.
Who's on that wrapping paper?
Queen.
Lightning McQueen? Wow.
What's inside?
No.
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, a new book of stories?
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh my goodness, Rachel, look at the cookie plate on your desk. Look.
Did
Who
he
ate
eat?
all the cookies? Santa, did he leave you a note?
Look it. Rachel, thanks for the treat. Love, Santa. He left you a message.
What did Santa eat all my cookies, Mama?
Wow.
He must have been hungry when he got to your house.
Yeah. And the reindeer.
And the reindeer?
And the reindeer's food.
And the reindeer's food.
Any other Christmas gifts under there for you?
Yeah.